Let's go.
So I guess we could go with the last Tesla Tea Party. So the last time I threw up.
I'm gonna say that
From drinking.
threw up from drinking, not from being sick. I'm going with probably like 5 years ago, Arlington House, after like a massive beer pong or party game. Not the what's the party game where everybody's, you know, that party game where they're clapping their
Oh,
hands?
flip club? Flip cup?
No, not the flip cup.
I don't go where they're
So there's
clapping their
one
hands.
where you gotta say something.
Anyway,
And you clap,
what's
and
the,
everyone's doing this rhythm, and when they call
I've
you,
never been to a party that white in my life.
yeah,
And
Well-
anybody else? No, so the game that they're clapping,
yeah. That's a thing.
it's crazy. It's
What's that thing, America? Let us know.
Everyone seems to fuck up or get fucked up at T's house. Like that was mine too. Like it was like
has
one
a bad habit of trying to get people drunk.
It was my.
Does he work for Uber?
He does.
Is he?
I don't know.
He
Hey
like,
T.
give you free Uber business?
First of all,
got all these drunk people in my house.
let's go ahead and get this shit started.
Tyler,
Tyler, come in here with this fucking drink.
Ty Man the Fly Man.
The reason
Check him out on the gram.
The reason, let me see this thing you got in your hand.
What
The
you got
reason we're
there?
bringing up this throwing up thing.
What do we have?
Tyler brought all the way from Hawaii.
All the way from Hawaii.
Bacardi 151.
Bacardi oh.
And they don't even sell this
I'll
shit
stick
no more.
around. They don't even make that anymore. Shall we set it on fire?
I'm not doing that.
I got a
shit.
pretty big mustache now. I can't do that anymore.
Give me some facts on Bacardi. You know anything about these Bacardi people?
Bacardi.
You seem to know everything.
They are Cubans. The patriarch fought in the Cuban Revolution.
How do you know this shit? I thought they were Puerto Rican, but they are actually they actually are Colombian and moved to fucking
Cuba.
No, they're Cubans and moved to Puerto Rico or something like that.
So,
This is some nasty shit. So
interesting fact: the bat on the Bacardi
the bat on Bacardi.
was a bat that the matriarch saw in the fruit fields, and she said, "That's good luck. We've got to have that on the bottle."
So they put it back.
Anyway,
Oh yeah,
Time Man
I
the Fly Man,
didn't
tell
know
us
that.
about this Bacardi.
I did know that. They bats were like a symbol of good luck.
Yeah.
T, we're taking shots if you want to take a shot. So, oh god, I suggest everyone get a chaser if you're gonna take this Bacardi stuff.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna just pour mine in with the Bacardi. I'm going rum and coke.
No.
Fine.
Take the fucking shot. That's not how it's done.
Can I?
You want to take?
Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it?
You want a shot?
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm
What you doing there, buddy?
Red Bull.
Are you gonna make a whole drink?
That's my chaser's my whole
Oh,
drink.
okay.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna chase mine with. I'm gonna go with this.
Diet Pepsi.
I'm gonna put that Pepsi right here in this cup.
Oh god, this shit smells horrible.
Oh
God.
What do you got for us?
Oh god. Can you really set it on fire?
Yeah, you can.
Someone bring a lighter. I just want to
I'll take some of the. You can put it in here.
I don't want to fuck you over and make you. Maybe
Don't try this at home, boys and girls.
You got one?
Always drink your 151 with a mixer.
I'll take it out.
It is very brutal.
Yeah, I won't set you up. You can have a Dominican shot glass.
Just off the gate, I'm smelling alcohol.
Mm.
Is that rubbing?
You got a lighter? So what happens when you light it?
It should just flame up.
Oh shit, this is
Should we check it?
Maybe we should
Put it in that glass?
in a cap first,
No, put it in that little blue one. How about that?
and the blue cap.
I mean that little shot glass.
It's in the little shot glass.
Oh, okay, set it on fire.
How you gonna blow it out?
I'm gonna
Just
just
blow it
blow it up.
Alright, what do you gotta do?
Fuck
Are you
that. I'm
gonna
not killing
drink it?
myself. Alright, let's do one of those.
Let's taste it.
What do you? Cheers.
You have a toast?
My favorite cheers is rattlesnakes and condoms. Two things I don't fuck with. But what's it? Sauna. Anybody know what cheers? To my success.
To your success.
Fucked up again. I'll stop. Everyone knows this about
That's
me.
a good joke.
Everyone knows it.
I love it.
The cheers is to my success. But you don't say to your success. Everyone there says to my
Right.
success. So everyone's successful. Tyler, I see you with the rollie on though. We're gonna get into that next.
Should we
Alright.
get into the rolling? Cheers.
To my success.
Mm. Oh God.
Oh, that was it. Ooh.
All right, we look like some real hoes. First
Okay.
of all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
I'm gonna say this right now.
I'm not gonna lie.
151 is not a
Throw this shit away. Oh God.
thing that you should take lightly.
I'm telling you right now.
I haven't had this in
Under the fucking comment sections, I'm gonna get so much. Oh, you're a pussy. You should have took dog.
America.
You took it like a G.
You saw my 151 face. That was brutal.
That's just horrible.
That was brutal.
I
haven't had it in a long time.
I don't know how, but when I first started drinking, way back in the day, the first drink that me and my boys went and got was Bacardi 151.
Are you?
And to this day, I would never drink it, but since we found the bottle.
Yo, I feel like it's 100 degrees in this whole place right now.
So-
I am burning up. My skin is fucking itching.
So tell us, Ty, what is your go-to drink right now?
Holy fuck.
Recently, it's just been the new Syrah.
Ooh,
So when you say the new Syrah,
which one is that? The
Black raspberry.
black raspberry.
Black
Oh,
raspberry.
yeah.
How are you doing this black raspberry?
we'll do that next.
So I believe we did it with, what did we throw in?
Not was it guava? Guava was the grapefruit thing. That
Guava
we,
and grapefruit.
Okay, so you're going extra fruity.
I don't know. Well, pause.
I mean,
No, we're not.
so because you're doing the blackberry,
Blackberry.
and then you're
Syrah.
doing the guava.
That's how drunk I am. This
I'm-
shit's terrible.
I'd like to try that with maybe tonic, just so I can get the true blackberry taste of it.
Yeah, it's not gonna. What's the difference between tonic and club soda?
Uh,
It's horrible.
the tonic and the club soda, tonic has an actual flavor to it, just the slightest bit limey, whereas club soda is pretty much water with bubbles.
Okay, I get it.
So you're gonna have a much flatter taste, not really any kind of that. You can get the tonic with what is it, quinine in it?
What?
That's,
That's why I don't hang out with you no more.
Oh, it's-
yeah, that's above me. Yeah.
Quinine. I don't. When's the?
Well,
Nobody's